Hey, what's up good people, this is Avat from Gigabyte Sports. So today we're going to be doing a hands-on review and unboxing of the Gigabyte UD1000GM. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And this video was brought to you by Gigabyte and aorus. Alright, so heading to the unboxing, we don't see much in the box here. Opening up the box, the first thing that pops out is the power supply. We do get all kinds of cables that are needed for your power supply, along with some instruction manuals and some screws, and lastly we have the power supply itself. So box content aside, let's have a look at our power supply. So this power supply is a fully modular 80 plus gold certified 1000 watts power supply. So that takes out the problem that other non-modular power supplies have of making your setup look like a rainforest. The 80 plus gold certification also means that you don't have to worry about this power supply eating up your entire month's electricity bill. The certification also comes with the added benefit of producing less heat and less fan noise. Oh, and also the 1000 watts means that you should have no problem running whatever PC components you want to run with this power supply, whether it be something high-end like the 3090 Ti or something mid-range like the 2060. The power supply itself is of a very premium quality. It feels very nice to the touch. Gigabyte brands this power supply to be ultra durable with the use of the high quality Japanese capacitor. This is followed by the 120mm smart hydraulic bearing fan, which should take care of all the thermals as well as the 6-circuit protection designs. The 6-circuit protection designs means that your computer should be safe from such aspects such as overvoltage, overcurrent, or even short circuit. They have also enlarged the heatsink by about 200% and optimized the airflow. As you already know, heating is the main enemy of any PC component. So the enlarged heatsink optimizes the airflow, which eventually results in better heat dissipation. So overall, the Gigabyte UD1000GM is a very great power supply and is surely a very safe option for you if you're building a very high-end gaming or work rig. After all, you don't want to damage your entire PC by compromising on the power supply. So my advice is, whichever option you go for an option that is certified, safe, and matches your component needs. That was all for today. This was Avat talking to you guys. Hope to catch you in the next video.